Structural development must be implemented at the beginning of an organization's life so that each element can operate while collaborating as a whole. This will accomplish a common objective by controlling its members' behaviors. Early development of an organizational structure requires values, beliefs, and behaviors to be set and clear guidelines for its members to be defined. This will allow distribution of work function that binds members together to run an organization smoothly. The forest represents building a house. For instance, in order to build a good solid house, one must consider putting in a solid foundation and structure. Once the first step is done, everything else will happen as planned. The forest is kind of like a structure that would align the whole organizational system. Each tree functions as an individual, yet without one another it cannot effectively support the common objective and function as a whole. The trees represent organizational culture. The tree's roots are intertwined with the major functions and the specific roles. These support and communicate the requirements in an effort to establish a solid organizational structure. Each tree, the culture, starts to fill in its purpose to support the business strategy. Without the supporting structure, the functions within an organization can become undermined through the employee's motivation. An empty shell without anything inside to drive or provide the support to the shell is meaningless. Without a solid organizational structure, there is no clear direction for the organizational culture to be established. Without a solid structure, how can a leader or a company owner have a clear sight on who to hire, what departments do what functions, who is the right person for the particular job, and so on and so on? Organization structure sets a clear guideline for its members. Clear organizational structure guidelines are the support beams of an organizational structure that sets standardized behavior. The company aims is to establish the customer's healthiest life by using the most natural ingredients possible. Maria's decision supports the cultural heritage and the core value of where the biotech company wants to go. If Maria decided to purchase genetically modified echinacea, it would help the company financially. By using cheaper ingredients to make the products, the company will produce higher revenues. Once the company starts to use genetically modified cheaper ingredients, the product quality deteriorates over time, which in turn hurts the company's reputation and trust will decline. Also, the company wants to keep a strong natural product image to demonstrate that the company puts great effort in social responsibilities. Maria is aware of the company's vision belief when she declined the offer. She values the company's vision, so she follows the company's decision-making structure to fulfill the common objective.